Adorable time. We're hoping for new ones.
And we're hoping for 7, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7. That's so old. It's gonna be 5, I know it. Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Boo, tomato.
That means one of us only gets to open one. Just no dupes. But we really want Eeyore and Heimlich the most.
Heimlich.
Oh, someone's revving their engine
Yeah.
outside. That looks like a dupe.
It definitely is. Tiana.
We already have Tiana. We don't have to build the ones we already have. I'll just show the screen though. This is Tiana. She's so cute, but I already have her.
I'm feeling this blue one here. Oh, it's Air. We already have this one.
Ariel, we already have you.
That's my eagle boo.
I don't have her yet.
Woo! Who is
Cute. She's in Encanto. What's her name? Lily, but I love Encanto. Look how pretty she is. Oh my gosh, this one's so cute. All right.
All right.
All right. I'm like Eeyore and Heimlich. Eeyore and Heimlich. Eeyore. That's a duplicate.
Yeah, I would probably put money that this is Piglet.
If it's, I have like 6 piglets.
Oh no!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my
It's Kevin! I don't have Kevin! Oh my gosh, he's cute. Okay, Kevin's cute.
Yay! Well, I hope the last one is a new one too.
All right, Lauren, last one. Get us a new one.
This is the last one.
Oh, it's Pua! Wait, do I have Pua?
I don't know. Wait, I don't think
I don't think I have Pua either.
so. So cute.
Oh my gosh, Pua's so
they're
cute. Cute.
I love him.
All right, well, I guess we're gonna be still on the hunt for Mike Wazowski, Eeyore, and Heimlich.